Hello guys, my name is Encryptech Kalash and welcome to my 9th video on C++ programs. And today in this video I will be making a program which calculates LCM for two numbers. So like after understanding this video and this program, you are capable of making programs that can calculate LCM for n numbers such as 3, 4, 5 and etc. So without wasting any time further, let's get right into the video. And yeah, if you like my video, please do like this and do subscribe my channel for more videos on C++ programs and Lego EV3. So the first step of all is to declare and initialize, if necessary, variables. So the first 5 variables which I will be declaring are the following. So these are the 5 variables which I have declared, and one of them is initialized. So these two variables are for the numbers, so these will like store the input. This will store the input for the first number and this will store the input for the second number. And then product is the product of first and the second number. So like if the else, because sometimes the LCM is not like what can I say, I mean that sometimes if the numbers aren't related, so their LCM is always their product. So that's why we have declared product and we have initialized it to 1, because if we don't, it will show error. And then this mini, this stands for instead of mini we had to take maximum. The mini variable was for the HCF program. So yeah, we have taken maximum number because the lowest common multiple can be the maximum number out of them two. Suppose let's take the numbers 2 and 4. So the LCM over here is 4. Now this variable is taken for the for loop, which will come later. So now the next step is to seek for the input from the user, and now this is possible by only using cout and cin. So here it is. After doing this, we will be no, the next step which will come after this is the most important one of all. Like that is the part because of which this program will work. So first of all, we will again initialize product, and that will be equal to the multiplication of first and the second. After this, we will be finding the number which is maximum from both of them. For that, we will be using the ternary operator. So this is the ternary operator. It's just an alternative for if statement. Like if you want to consume less lines, then we use this ternary operator. So this line means that if first is more than the second number, then maximum's value will be the first. If not, then it will be second. So now the next part will be the for loop one. So here it is. So here we will use that triple I variable. I'm sorry, it's equal to maximum. So yeah, inside the what do you call for loop, we'll have an if statement, and its test will be that if the maximum mod first number and the maximum mod second number is equal to 0, I mean is equal to 0, then the number which is like maximum over here, or II, will be the LCM. So here it is. Now we will be printing out the LCM. And yeah, after this statement we will break out, because if we don't, then the loop will continue, and this will be repeatedly shown, because it will show the multiples instead of those two numbers, like the common multiples. Oh, I'm sorry, I just found out one mistake. Instead of maximum it will be II, otherwise it will show the maximum number, which will be either of the first or the second number. So here we are done with the program. Now it's time to test it. So let's check it out. So let's take the first number as 12 and the second number as 8. So according to me 24 should be the LCM. So yeah, the first one did not work, like we got trolled, but then yeah, well, like I checked out the mistake and it's right now working, like I fixed it. And yeah, over here I've added this also. So now let's check it out. Okay, let's take 12 and 8. There you go. The answer is 24. So I hope you enjoyed this video, like leaving the troll, but then yeah, so yeah, you can check out my other videos on C++ programs, and like the programs are like how to calculate compound interest, simple interest, and yeah, also you can check out how to make patterns like square, equilateral triangle, and etc. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.